This is part 2 for lesson number 7, that is file management and introduction. In this part, we will do how we can save a document. We have done this in a previous chapter as well, in lesson number 6, Introduction to Paint. In that chapter, we have already done that how can we save an image or how can we open an image. So the steps are same. And this is on page number 66 and on page number 67. So for this also we have to click on file button and then we have to click on save. But let's have a look at the steps one more time for the better understanding. Okay, so I will show you one more time that how can we save our document file. All right. Okay children, now let's have a look how we can save our document file. Now I have opened Notepad. Now I have written few lines like my name is Rahul. I am 7 years old. My favorite subject is computer. Now I want to save my file. Now the steps are same. First you have to click on this file button. When you click on file button, file menu will appear. This is known as file menu. Okay, now here you will click on save button. Here, save. Alright, now here you will click on save. Then save as dialog box will appear. Okay, now you can save your file. Now you can give the name here. Here you can see file name. So you can give name to your file, any name. Like I'm giving computer. Computer is already there, so I'm giving computer 1. Okay, all right. Now look here. By default, it will save your file in documents. By default, it will save your file in document. If you will click on save right now, so it will save your file in document folder. But if you want to change the location, you have to give the specific location. Then you will choose the path. Suppose you want to save the file at desktop. So you will click over here, desktop. Okay. By default, it will save your file in documents folder, but if you want to change the location, so you can change the location here. Alright, so suppose now we want to save the file at the desktop. So I will click on desktop. Now it will save my file at desktop. I have already given the name in the file name box. I have already given the name. After giving the name, choosing the destination location where you want to save your file, and then you will click on save like this. Now my file is saved. Alright, now let's check it whether it is saved or not. Now this is my desktop. Now you can see computer 1. One file is here, computer 1. Open this file. See, this is your file. So this is how you can save your file. All right, easy. Now let's do our book exercise. It's on page number 68 and on page number 69. Let's start with the book exercise first. A, tick the correct answer. So the first is, dash management helps to organize and keep track of files in the computer. File is the correct answer. Second, a file can be dash file when you draw and color in it. Picture. Third, every file has a dash name. Unique. Fourth, saving is a process of writing your work in the dash devices. Storage. Write T for true and F for false statement. First is, every file has a name called file name. True. Once you store your work, it will never be lost. True. Saving means reading your work from storage devices. False. You cannot review your file after saving. False. Now C part, filling the blanks. All the work that you do in a computer is stored in the form of files. FLS. Dash allows you to review your file anytime later. Saving. SVN. Notepad saves the file in Dash folder by default. Documents. DCMNT. A dash is a route that must be followed to reach a particular location. Path. PT. Next, application-based question. Sakshi has created a file in Notepad program and saved it in the default location before closing it. Now, she is not able to open it. Tell her the location of file. In Documents folder. Next, question answers. First, what do you mean by file management? So the answer is, it helps to organize and keep track of files. What is saving? It is a process of writing our work in the storage device. Third, what is the need of saving a file? Saving allows us to review our file anytime later. Some extra question answers. Define the following. A. File name. Every file has a unique name called file name. B. Path. It is a route to reach particular location. Question number 2. Where does computer saves the file? Answer is, computer saves the file in document folder. Question number 3. Full forms. CD-ROM and DVD. CD-ROM is compact disc read-only memory and DVD is digital video disc. Okay? So complete your work in your notebooks and in your books, and after completing your work, you have to learn them. All right? Thank you.